Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Mansory Spectre. This isn't just a Rolls-Royce, it's a masterpiece of luxury and performance, redefined by Mansory. From its aggressive widebody design to its ultra-luxurious interior, this car takes exclusivity to an entirely new level. Stick around as we break down every stunning detail of this bespoke machine. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The Mansory Spectre is instantly recognizable, thanks to its signature widebody kit. Finished in a stunning pearl white paint, this car commands attention from every angle. The front features an aggressive carbon fiber bumper, larger air intakes, and a redesigned grille that gives it an even more dominant road presence. The LED headlights are sharper, complementing the sleek aerodynamic lines that flow seamlessly across the body. Moving to the side, the widened fenders house massive custom Mansory forged wheels, wrapped in ultra-low profile tires for a sportier stance. Carbon fiber side skirts and mirror caps add both aesthetic appeal and weight reduction. And of course, the iconic coach doors open effortlessly, revealing the ultra-luxurious cabin inside. At the rear, the modifications continue. The bold carbon fiber diffuser, integrated spoiler, and quad exhaust tips give the Spectre a more performance-oriented look while maintaining its signature Rolls-Royce elegance. Every detail is meticulously crafted, making this one of the most visually striking grand tourers on the road. Performance. Under the hood, the Mansory Spectre remains a powerhouse. While Rolls-Royce originally designed the Spectre with an all-electric drivetrain, Mansory takes it a step further. With upgraded battery management and performance tuning, this Spectre delivers even more instant torque and a refined driving experience. The dual-motor setup ensures smooth, silent acceleration, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds. And despite its size, the car glides effortlessly, thanks to Mansory's fine-tuned suspension and aerodynamics. Interior luxury. Stepping inside, the Mansory Spectre is nothing short of breathtaking. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials, hand-stitched leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber trims create a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The seats are completely redesigned with a unique Mansory touch, featuring custom embroidery, diamond stitching, and ventilation for ultimate comfort. The rear seats offer first-class luxury, equipped with reclining functions, a champagne cooler, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The famous Rolls-Royce Starlight headliner has been enhanced with a dynamic LED constellation effect, creating a truly celestial atmosphere inside the cabin. Advanced ambient lighting wraps around the dashboard and door panels, allowing you to personalize the mood to match your journey. Technology and features. Of course, no Rolls-Royce would be complete without cutting-edge technology. The Mansory Spectre is loaded with the latest innovations, including a fully digital driver's display, a high-resolution infotainment system, and an advanced AI-driven navigation assistant. The bespoke sound system delivers an immersive experience, ensuring that every ride feels like a private concert. Safety and driver assistance features have also been upgraded, with improved autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, and an intelligent parking system that makes maneuvering this luxury beast effortless. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mansory Spectre is more than just a car, it's an experience. It takes the opulence of Rolls-Royce and elevates it with Mansory's signature craftsmanship, creating a vehicle that's both bold and elegant. Whether you're looking for performance, luxury, or exclusivity, this car delivers it all in one breathtaking package. So, what do you think of the Mansory Spectre? Would you take this over a standard Rolls-Royce Spectre? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.